Calculus, Unit 7, Day 63, Part 3. So let's finish through these problems. I have it all worked out, but so we started with the integral from, and thinking in terms of pi r squared h, right? So that's the volume. So it's the outer function minus the axis of revolution minus the inner function minus the absolute axis of revolution. And we're talking in terms of squaring these because that's the radius. So radius squared of the outer circle, radius squared of the inner circle, and then dx represents the height. So this part is setting up the calculus. This is algebra simplifying, and then this is the fundamental theorem of calculus. Then we go through and continue to simplify. We could be done here, but we get volume equals 108 pi over 5. Okay, let's do the other problem. Okay, and this one's bounded around -2, and we had that one set up. So again, that's just simplifying the algebra, and then take the antiderivative and do the fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate from -1 to 2. So we put 2 into each one, and we put -1 into each one. That could be our answer on the AP Calc exam, but let's just go to simplify, and you should hopefully get 162 pi over 5. Okay, so the process is the same over and over again, and these are pretty challenging problems because it's, and let me go back to what we started with. It's the outer function minus the axis all squared minus the inner function minus the axis all squared. And we did something similar to this back when we were in geometry. So if I had two circles and we wanted to find this area, again, we'd find the area of the outer circle minus the area of the inner circle. So that's all we did. And that would give us that part, you take a little bit of it. All right, I'm going to keep this part 3 short, and we'll do part 4 to do that last page.